Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Dawn from Creative Appliques. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for being here. And if you're new, please consider subscribing to this channel and clicking the bell to be notified when I upload new content. Today we're going to do an unboxing. My friend Sue at SOOKIE Sews has a new product that she just came out with, along with More cutlery, and she sent me a package and I want to show you what's inside. So if that sounds intriguing, stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into this package. I just love the little personal touch. A little thank you with a smile. So let's see all the goodies that she included in this package. Wow. Check this out. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so these are angled precision tweezers. And so those are going to be awesome. I have a project. I know exactly what I'm going to use these for. You'll see it in a video. So those are amazing. Such a great pointed tip there. All right, so those are tweezers. These are the 5.5-inch craft scissors. So all-purpose craft scissors. These are a nice heavy-duty steel, I think. They have a great feel to them. They're nice, solid scissors, nice heavy metal, which is great. These are adorable. Oh my God, look how cute these are. I've never seen anything like this. 4.5-inch mini duckbill applique scissors. So these are perfect for when you're cutting applique fabric around the stitching, to hold up the piece of fabric so you don't have to hold it with your hand and potentially pull the item shifted in the hoop. So those are awesome. Let's put this stuff right here so you can see everything that was included. And then these are 4-inch straight micro tip scissors. I just love the packaging. This is beautifully packaged with her logo, which is the bee and the bumblebee honeycombs. Great plastic. So these are 4-inch straight micro tip, and check that out. That's really cool. It's sort of almost like a seam ripper in a way. Very cool. And again, heavy duty metal, nice heavy duty metal. And then, easy hook snips. I love snips. So these are, oh wow, if there's a hook, can you see that? There's a little hook there. So that's going to be great for getting under little jump stitches, and they bounce back really nicely. Those are amazing. Okay. And then I am super excited about this. This is the large easy point turner. The fastest and easiest way to create points and turn tubes. So, can you think of all the amazing things that you can put on here, all those in the hoop projects that you have a hard time turning. You can slide it over this end, and then I will do videos to show you exactly how to use this. It has a soft handle grip. It's easy open and close, which is awesome. There's this slender point closure here for tight areas. Interconnecting points for easy turning. So you can see that this in here slides right in there. So you won't have the fabric if you have a nice thin silky type fabric or organza or something that you need to turn and you're worried about it sliding on you. When you put it on here and you turn it, it's going to hold that in place. And then true screw design for easy tension control. So that means right here, there's a screw with a flat head mark. Actually, this side, sorry. It has a Phillips, so you can tighten it if you need to. But this is the large ones, and I think I heard from a little bumblebee that they may be having a smaller size as well coming soon. So thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I look forward to using all these amazing scissors and the turner in upcoming videos along with the tweezers. So stay tuned for more videos on using SOOKIE Sews and Famore Cutlery's amazing products. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and be sure to click the bell to be notified when I upload new content.